All right. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm super excited to come today to you on this live session. So if you are new here, please kindly drop the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button rather, and make sure you just like this video so it can be recommended to other people that might be interested in trading live and interested in how I'm doing trading. All right. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria, and my name is Jeffrey Benson, and I'm a pro Forex trader. And I'm here to also teach you on how to become a pro Forex trader. If you would let me, would you let me? So if you would, just smash the subscribe button. Let's go live, guys. Let's go. So I want to know the location you're joining me from. Right now, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Just as I've said earlier, what location are you joining me from? Type that in the comment section or drop that in the live chat session. If you are right now on this call, drop that in the live chat session. Drop that. So I have so many people joining me right now. We have someone who is from Liberia. We have someone who is from Portugal, China, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Asaba, Jos, Ghana, Asaba, UK, Anambra, Ghana, like everywhere, basically well represented. People from different part of the world just watching. From Dubai, I saw one right now. I saw Lagos or Joe. I saw Zimbabwe. I saw Las Gidi, that's the city of Lagos. I saw Qatar flag, and I'm seeing Ghana. I'm seeing Yab. I'm seeing Badagry, Enugu, Bruxelles, Argentina, Warri, Russia, Nigeria, USA, Zambia, Redemption Camp, Scotland, Pakistan, Brazil, Toronto, UK, Oshun, Asaba, Japan, all over the world. Everyone is well represented. And I'd like to say congratulations for joining today's live session, because things are about to, you're about to understand new things. And we have people from United States too as well. All right. Norway, Thailand, Roma, Warri, Asia, Washington, DC, Adamawa, Kaduna, everywhere. So by the way, today we just graduated some of our physical students from the office. So people that learn Forex with us, today is their graduation for the September batch. So October batch is getting started. So in order for you to get access to that, you maybe want to be a part of that. Check the link and be a part of our Telegram. We'll always drop this information on Telegram. And if you want to be a part of our bootcamp, what is bootcamp? The same way I'm going to be trading with you now is how I'm going to be trading for some set of people who are going to come for this bootcamp from 1st of October, which is tomorrow, to 31st, Monday to Fridays only, obviously for when the market is open for. So the criteria you need for that is just $2,000 to fund your personal account. It's not my money, it's yours. You are responsible for the depositing and withdrawal of that. Open an expense account, fund $2,000 minimum. You can do 100,000, you can do 1 million. I even have people who are coming with 50,000, 20,000, 35,000, and etc. Any amount of money you fund is yours. In order for you to be a part of this bootcamp, to pay for our time, it's just $1,000. Pay $1,000 and then you'll be registered in. Be able to trade and make that. So already today, because we are warming up, we are testing, we are making sure everything is in check, testing microphone, testing everything. So today we have done a test of $2,000. I funded this account with $2,000. So I was able to make $1,300 profit in just a single day. Now, results are not typical, and past profit does not guarantee future profits. But what I'm telling you is you will be able to make more money than you paid us for this bootcamp, and way more. All right. So it's important you come with an open mind and a trader's mindset. So you might come not as a trader, but then you definitely will be living with a really good amount of money with a mindset shift. It's not a training, it's a trading. I'm going to be telling you what lot size to put. You might just be a businessman, you've never heard the word trading before, and they just want to join and make profit. Just join in. I'm going to tell you when to get in, when to get out, what lot size to use, and then the results can just be uniform. So if I'm making $20,000, you are expected to be making $20,000 too if we have the same account balance. So that's why I put a threshold. So if you have $2,000 to trade, that's when you can join. If you don't have $2,000, we're not going to accept you at all. Minimum of $2,000, and it can be more. All right. So, but it should be minimum of $2,000 because that's the cap we have it on. All right. So with that, we're going to be starting having a meeting today by 4 p.m. regarding that. Just an announcement, just so you guys would know. So today I made profits from gold. I short gold. That money is from gold shorts. Obviously, as you guys have seen on that screenshot, on the trade that I showed you guys, it's a gold short, and now the account is currently at $3,500. All right. So we are going to do more now. Let's do some numbers right now whilst we are live. It's 1 p.m. Trades are getting set up again, and I'd like to share a really good opportunity with us, and hopefully we all get to make profit live together as well. Okay, just as I always do. I'm still going to be trading on this account, but and everybody's already waiting. So now let's talk about successes we've had. Last week, I had someone who messaged me. He made about $24,000 from my signals all through. And that's an investment that he put in, an investment of $10,000. So you see, the investment is almost, it's not someone who is using $100 to make that. Now, I'm not saying it's not possible, but the chances are tiny. The chances are tiny. It's 1 of 1 or 1 of 20. And then you don't want to be limiting yourself to that. So if you made good amount of money last week, I'd love to see you drop number 1 on the chart. If you made good amount of money from the signals last week, all my signals I called last week trading, I want to just drop number 1 on the chat box. If you made money from last week, drop number 1 with my signals. All right, drop number 1. Okay, Chineme said he made money. Oh, loads of other people in the chat box said they made money. Interesting. And you are even about to make way more now, way more. Please just follow my instructions. I'm going to be dishing out the lot size you should use on this call. I'm going to be dishing out the lot size you should use on this call. All right. So if you are new, again, make sure you smash the subscribe button so that you can always be alerted anytime I drop video, anytime I'm about to go live. And if you are not new, just smash the like button so that this video can go out to many other people. That's the only thing you can do for me. This is free, but the only thing you must do for me is to subscribe and like. Now let's head straight to our charts. Let's start sharing screen and start doing our magic, as non-traders will call it. Okay. So I'm seeing a very clean opportunity right now on gold. That's everybody's favorite pair. Gold is a friend to all and a friend to none. Yet people still love it because of how fast it brings money. Okay. I'm trying to, the network is not really on our side this morning. It's a little bit lagging. It's lagging. And I noticed that. So please kindly bear with us. Williams, how are you doing? Are you there? Are you there, Williams?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. I think the network is a little bit lagging. Though I can't see you, but I know you're there, or I can hear you.
All right. Well, I'm seeing myself very well. Network.
Okay, interesting. So it's important you see what we're doing, but then me, I can't see you, right? I can't see you. That's the truth. Okay, so someone is asking, how do I join the Telegram? So please, there are many fake Telegram pages claiming to be us. So you don't want to be falling for these guys, right? You don't want to fall for these guys. So that's why it's important you join the right one. And how to know how to spot scamming one. They will ask you to do investments. I will never ask you to send me $500. I'll turn your $500 to $20,000 in 24 hours. I will never do that. If you see that, run. That is not me. I will never do that. If I could do that, I will not be here. I'll be turning my money to 1 billion inside private jet. All right. It doesn't work. It's fake. This is my only Telegram. And on Facebook, please don't give your money to someone to trade for you. I don't trade for people. Please and please and please. If you see that the person is trying to scam you, tell them, can I do a video call? Oh, no, there's even AI that help them to do video call. No. Tell them, I want to come to your office. My office is 1A Tatiana Scott, Ikotabila, Lekki, Lagos. Send someone there to come and check for you if you're not in Nigeria or if you're not a Nigerian. Please and please. In fact, just know that it can't be me. I will never ask you to give me $2,000. Let me flip that $2,000 to $4,000 for you. Or you not give me the money to trade for you. No. If I must trade with you, you have your account funded. You are trading it yourself. I'm giving you instructions. All right. Okay. He says, see, somebody's just giving it. He said, I swear I saw it. He said, I should send $50K. Can you imagine? These guys are very brutal. Don't even send $1 to anybody claiming to be Jeff. I won't ask. We don't need it. All right. Thank you. Someone is saying bad network. I don't know how to fix that now. Okay, hold on. Let me have that feast. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm looking. Tell Dabet to increase to check this Wi-Fi this Starlink connection for me. And again, tell him to call and check this stuff too. The network is not so strong. People are complaining. Thank you. So let's get started. I'm seeing an opportunity on this one. Okay, thank you. We're about to see an opportunity right now, but let's wait. On gold. I'm seeing a buy setup setting up for us on gold. So I would say let's buy gold right now. The network is lagging. Permit us for that today. So first on gold, I can clearly see that there is a downtrend topping. So last week Thursday, gold hit its all-time highs. The gold highest now gold is hot. The gold's highest all-time high is 2,685.31. That's the all-time highs, and that happened last week. So history was made last week. Now the question I just have is: were you part of that history? Did you make money from that history? I know tomorrow is Nigerian's Independence Day. That's history, right? Some people are going to profit from it. Some people are going to go to open business stand in whenever they are celebrating at the coronation ground, and then they make money from it. So are you going to be making money? Did you make money from this gold history that was created yesterday? Or you're just going to be among those people that will say, I know Bitcoin when it was $1,000. I know Bitcoin when it was $600. Did you make money from that? That's what we're about to do. So it's important you focus yourself as a human being. All right, as a human being, it's very important you look at what exactly should I be investing in right now. What should be the right thing I should be buying? What should I be selling? So all these things are crucial. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys, if you can hear me, drop number one. Drop number one. Let me be sure. I don't want to be talking to myself. Drop number one if you can hear me. Somebody's already asking me what of SL stop loss. Hi, we've never called trade. You're already asking for stop loss. People blow just a hot. Okay. Good. It means everyone can hear me. Interesting. So on gold already. On gold, I'm seeing upward pushes, but I'll wait for price to take out this low to close above here, and that's going to happen in about 1 minute 51 seconds from now. Once that happens, then we'll start buying gold. All right, that's instructions for gold. So meanwhile, the psychological level that we have there is somewhere around 0.240. 2640. Network is low. $640, 2,640, and I have another one again above. That's 2,645. So that would mean that we might be having a key somewhere around here. That's if it closes above. If it's unable to close above, then I'm doing the opposite. All right. Then the next thing I would love us to do, let me just split screen and start looking at two things at the same time, because this is a hot session. We are looking out for. I'm looking forward to GJ2. I saw GJ was doing a little bit of accumulation at some point. That's the network is playing around with our emotions now. So you know what? Let me disconnect and go connect to Starlink upstairs. I think this one is not doing us good. It's not doing us good at all. So let's go upstairs. Fun. So the network is still putting here. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. Yeah, we have to connect to someone at the office. Okay. No seats. Okay, just grab me a seat. Let's see. Oh, there are seats. There are lots of seats here. I cannot use any regular one. All right. Can you guys hear me? Interesting. So, don't worry. I'll use this one. What about the Starlink? Is also slow. Um, 10. Okay, so since we have a network challenge, I want us to just focus on one thing. Let's just make money. Let's make money and we'll leave here, right? Let's make money and then we'll leave here. So what I'd love us to focus on is trading gold. I'm seeing that's what can give us fast money now while we are here. It's gold that can give us fast money. I'm currently using MTN, man. Michael Lawan, say I should try MTN. So on my screen, you can see I'm connected to Jeffrey Benson. So that's MTN. Starlink is also not cutting it up for us. Everything. Glow is what I've not used before. I've not tried that. I have not tried Glow. So someone saying I should try Glow. And Ethel is strong. Okay. Hold on. Let me try. I don't know. Okay, so gold right now, no entry yet. It's still cooking. It's still cooking. Let's wait for another extra 10 minutes for this candle to close or to whatever I want to do there. Let's wait, no entry yet. Then let me check on GBP I'll just be looking at the entry. The network is dulling us. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so I'd love to check on since G is still gold is trying to set up. Let's go and check on GBP. I think the network is back now. I see stronger network strength now. My goodness. Don't worry. I'm checking for opportunities on all pairs. Even though network is good, I will look for a way to improvise and find really nice opportunity. Let me check GJ2 as well. Let me check. Let me switch my network now. Let me try this. I have what's it called? There's nothing we don't have. We have everything. We have everything literally. So I think this should be better now. This should be better. This should be better now. This is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. GJ. I'm seeing a buy on GJ. I just saw a buy now. Buy GJ. Long GJ. I'm also going in right now. So please get context. Get context. I'm buying GJ now. I'm buying GJ. Buy GJ. Stop loss is at. Hold on. Let me enter my trade first before. I'm buying GJ. GJ long. So if you've got an account of 8,000 up onto 5,000, use on this GJ, use 0.5 to 0.75. That's what you should do. So may I have an account of $8,000? I just go in with 0.5, like 0.5, only one entry of 0.5. So your stop loss is going to be, so if you have a very small account, please reduce your lot because GJ is very volatile. All right, it's very volatile. So the stop loss should be this point, which is 190.739. 190.739 rather, not 739, 739. All right, so it's going to be here, and then your take profit should be 1 to 2. So I hope we're able to do it before I leave this live session. But however, any profit we're able to make before I leave this live session, we'll just take it out. We'll be taking it out. All right, that's if we are unable to make any profit before this live session ends. I want to make sure I make profit and close it with you right here. Right, that's what I want to be able to achieve before I leave here. So we have only one entry on GBPJPY. Please kindly listen to me. I don't want to hear, oh, account gone. Only do what I told you to do, which is go in on GBPUSD with only one entry. So you saw the way I just got in with just one entry and I relaxed. That's how trading is done. The other one you are doing sporty. You didn't know. Please enter 0.5. You have an account of $1,000 upwards to 2,000. Then if you have above, you can do one standard, 1.5, two standard, depending on your account ratio, right? So, but for those who are having an account of say $100 up onto $1,000, do lot size of 0.02 to maximum of 0.1. 0.02 to maximum of 0.1 for the sake of this live session, because I won't be with you to be monitoring the trades all through. So it's important to use a lot size that is safer for you, so that even when we hit stop loss, it doesn't really hurt you, right? That's why I'm saying all this. I'm really emphatically, I'm stressing this now, right? Please follow the instruction, simple as ABC. If you follow simple instructions with us, you definitely will make profit. I mean, that's why we are all here, right? That's why I'm also here. I'm live with you guys. All right, so we are buying here. We're going in for a buy somewhere around here. Our stop loss is here, and our take profit is right above there. That's on GJ. So let's look at more other opportunities. Let me look out for USD card. No, gold. Let's go back to gold first. I'm typing gold. Self-XA USD. Just one entry. One entry. All right. Okay, gold tap on here. No entry yet. No entry on gold. So let me do USD card. On USD card, what are we looking out for? What are we looking out for, guys? Interesting. Okay, I'll only get in if price pushes up to this extent, then I'll buy if we're able to break above it, or if it tests it, I'll sell off at this extent. Because this point it tested and maybe it's coming to form an M pattern. I love M pattern. If you know me so well, you know there's a pattern I shout with. Even the student that just graduated today, I taught them M pattern. You know, there are some patterns that the first leg is irregular. With the second one, sometimes it can be this way, right? So there are many other patterns that people pay attention to, but me, I love M patterns and W patterns. W signals for buys and M pattern signals for sales. All right. So nothing now on USD card. All right. So now let me give a shout out to those who are subscribed to us here on YouTube. We only have one trade now on GJ, and we are buying GJ, right? So let me share that to our Telegram. So if you're not a part of the Telegram yet, I mean, that place, things are really hot. Things are really hot. You should be there. So let me share this signal for a GJ long. Okay, price back to our entry for GJ long to the Telegram now. So just in case you are not there, so stop the sharing and share the whole entire screen. Someone said I'm in profit. Okay, interesting. So this is GJ. Let me copy it again. This is our entry, and then I'm gonna leave it here. All right. So this is it. This is our Telegram. Buy GBPJPY. Now, stop loss is at 739. So these are I send the signals. Leave take profit open. I will tell you when to close as long as we are here live. Somebody just texted me and said I'm in profit. I'm just telling him congratulations. This is how I get those DMs. So see, if you want to be a part of our Telegram, it's simple. Click here. You're going to see this is the link, right? Please, if you misspell a thing, you will be in fake group. If you misspell a particular thing, or maybe you omit a particular word, you'll be in a fake group. So please. This is it, the Telegram. And I also ask everyone to share every now and then. Only ask, okay, this is it, to share. All right. If you want to turn on post notification, make sure you pin it to the top so you can always get the signal as I drop it now. All right. So this guy sent me a screenshot of him being in profit. See, despite I said enter one position, right? This guy stacked 3. Can you see? And he has $50. So he used 0.1. Fine, he's in profit, but this is risky. Can you see? Fine, it's in profit because he's working now and he's excited. This is not trading. This is Bet Niger. This one is Tete. Don't do this. If I ask people to send screenshots, you see how they will load trades. This is just $50 and you're already making $19. What if this thing whipsaw? Is trouble? It's trouble. We're all laughing now because it's going well. What if it goes negative? All right, because I can't tell the extent it might likely go to before it starts going in our favor. No one has the key to that. let me not talk so much on that, but now everything's going well. He's excited. This is why people lose account. You see, trading is not a scam. It's just the way people, the mentality people have towards it. It's not a scam. This is a profit. The way people go to school to become a physician, to become an attorney, to become an engineer, that's how people should also go to. In fact, that's how people go to school to study all of these things. I hope that makes sense. So I'm not here to talk about training. We're just here to trade. So let's go. So recommend a pair you like me to look out for you. Recommend a pair you like me to check out for you. Oh, congratulations to, thank you very much, Christian Joshua. He donated $10 to us, and he's asking a question. He said, good morning. I can't use excellence because I'm an American, right? The other problem I have is Forex brokerage won't let me trade more than 0.02 up to 0.08 with an account balance of 540. Sorry, that's one of the things that happen to countries that are well regulated. So America is really protecting her citizens from taking high leverage. So the maximum leverage, I think, by regulation in America is to offer to an American citizen is, I think, 1 to 50 or 1 to 30. So as a result, excellence is not allowed because they offer leverages that are higher. But however, they could actually serve American community only if they were regulated by an American body. And for it to be regulated by an American body, it's really difficult. So that's why they don't take citizens from North Americans. All right, like Canada, Americans generally, they don't take you guys at all. So what I would recommend you do is sign up with a broker. You notice anytime I click on any pair like GBPJPY, you see there are a lot of GBPJPY. They're also represented by different brokerage. Since TradingView is an American company, he has recommendation of other brokerages you could also use. So this is Oanda. Oanda is regulated in the United States. So the only problem you might face is just similar problem you said, but with you have a 540, you're only able to just do how many lot size? Let me check. You're only able to do just 0.02. That's ridiculous. That's because your leverage is tiny. So you can as well just maybe keep going on with the maximum leverage that they offer to you, or if you don't mind, you want to up your trading account balance and then just follow with the max leverage and the lot size that you are allowed. So leverage is very good. The way low leverage is very good for you because it will not expose you to too much risk. You taking too much risk, right? So it's a very good thing too as well. So the only part where it might not be a nice thing is it will not allow you to take as much risk as you might desire, right? For those who are more aggressive in nature. So I would recommend, long story short, as an American citizen, I recommend you try Oanda or Forex.com. There's one here, Forex.com. Just go here. The only thing is their spread can a little bit be wide. Oanda.com or Forex.com. They are American regulated. So their spread can be very wide and all of those things, all right? They are regulated by America, and you'll be paying taxes and all those normal American things, yeah. So that's that. I hope that helps. So someone is saying I should check USD JPY, all right? USD JPY. So let's go ahead and check USD JPY for him. So before I come here, I've done all this analysis. So that's why I'm not bothering. I noticed that if I'm doing analysis, it's boring people. They don't want to hear the analysis. Jeff, tell me, is it going to be a buy or a sell? Let me execute. I don't have time for this or long talks. So that's why I just come here and give you guys the finished product. Why disturb you with the whole long story? All right. If you want to learn how the analysis is done, come into mentorship. I will teach you. All right. So in order for you to join mentorship, just go to 5tipsfs.com. I'm going to show you that soon. But then let's talk about USDJPY. So for USDJPY, I'm seeing it doing the exact same thing that GBPJPY is doing, and I'm seeing a bull run pretty soon. So it might be a tank or it might be a bull run, because I see market has created a high of today, and then this is the lowest low for now. These things I'm saying are for now, like from what we can see, it's obvious. Everyone can see that the highest point market has gotten to was here. So the highest he has ever gotten to for today was here, and then the lowest he also got to for today was also here. All right, that's a visible thing. I'm not saying anything that's outside the box. So now, what is the guarantee that it might break above here and go up? So that's why I have to just check a little bit backwards. So market has actually reacted off of this zone. So there's a chance that it might be able to break it and sustain. If that happens, then we're waiting for the next candle in about 9 minutes 15 seconds. A candle that breaks above here or rejects here determines. If it rejects, we sell. If it breaks above, we buy. So it's still on our watch list too as well. So let's check on gold again. Let's keep tab on what we are primarily looking at. Interesting. Gold looking interesting. Okay. No action just yet. So by 13 by my time now, the time is currently 13:36. So by 13:45 we'll make a new decision. All right, we'll make a new decision. So let's check on GBP AUD. GBP AUD. I'm seeing continuous drop on this pair. I'm seeing continuous drop like fall sells. All right, I'm seeing continuous drop, but there's no opportunity for entry. So let's pass. Let's see other recommendation. Euro USD. Okay, for Euro USD, let's go check that out on Euro. Euro USD is almost like GBP USD, so there's nothing really much going on right now as we speak, except if price come back here to break above this my psychological level 1.1200, I would long. But right now I'm neutral. Let me check GBP USD to see to now I'm also neutral. There's nothing really going on too as well. Nothing. So let me give you a chance to Williams. Williams, are you there? Talk about BTC. Go ahead and give us BTC analysis. BTC analysis. Williams, are you there? Please kindly unmute. Let's go.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, good evening, whichever part of the country you're joining us from. You're highly welcome. So today I'm going to be analyzing BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and the rest of them. But apparently, I'm going to say something before I share my screen. Please make sure that you wait for 3 o'clock p.m. before you be able to trade, because the time for BTC now has changed to 3 o'clock p.m. Do not enter in for a buy or sell now. So there's no opportunity yet, but I'm going to analyze what I'm looking at from BTC, Ethereum, BNB. Then we'll now they will now have to trade around 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock p.m. It's very important. Don't trade it now because there's very low volatility in the market as of now.
Williams.
The question now will be like, how do I know? Sorry? So now the question now will be like, yeah, I'll share my screen. So the question now is, how do I know? Past experience, like last 2 weeks, market has not been giving us, or market has not been pushing aggressively around 1 o'clock p.m., which is the New York time. So it pushed around 3 o'clock p.m., which is 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock p.m. Nigerian time. That's when it do push. So how do you know this? Is by back testing. When you go back to the chart, you back test it, because timing is very important. In as much as your analysis is correct, time plays. All right, in as much as your analysis is correct, time plays a very big factor while trading. Very, very important, guys. So you don't just neglect, because of your analysis is correct, you don't just neglect the time. You can't see me trade BTC during Asian session. You can't see me trade BTC during let's say Australian session. You can't see me do that. I only wait for 1 o'clock p.m. I come here, I do analysis, and we make money apparently every single day by the grace of God. So it's very important for you to also know that, okay, time is very important. Why do Bebeto Williams come to the chart around 1 o'clock p.m. to analyze? Why is it only 1 o'clock p.m.? Why is it not analyzing during the Sydney session? Because time plays a very huge role in this trade. So let me analyze BTC now. I'll come over to the 4 hours time frame. Why are we on 4 hours time frame analyzing? It's because 4 hours give you, because of your day trading, 4 hours give you more information. it gives you more information in chart. So because of we're on 4 hours now, what is the market doing? It's apparently on an uptrend, but market structure has been broken to a downtrend. But now the question is, okay, now this is for the inner circle, the people that are also in our team. I also teach them about correlation with time frame, structures plus correlation with time frame, how they correlate. But let me just go ahead to just give you whether we buy or sell during around 3 o'clock p.m. So on this 4 hours time frame, because the market has broken the structure, does not mean that market is now selling. No, don't go there. It's not true. So what I'll do is come over to the 1 hour time frame to look at the pattern forming on the 1 hour time frame. What is the pattern? What am I expecting? So if for me to enter for a buy, I need information of the W pattern on the 1 hour time frame. Then on the 15 minutes, I'll shoot in for a buy. So apparently, the market retraces down a little bit, still on 3 o'clock p.m., guys. Still on 3 o'clock p.m. You will not see me trade now. I'm not entering any trade now, but I'm just analyzing so that you can take advantage of it. And also, I'm dropping the signal on the channel, on the Telegram channel. Okay, so you have nothing to worry about. I'll drop the stop loss, you take profit, your entries around 3 o'clock p.m. I'll send it there, so you can also take advantage of it and make crazy amount of money. So you have not been trading BTC, you have been on a long thing, you have been sleeping. So that's it for BTC. I'm expecting a pullback, then I'm shooting for a buy around 3 o'clock p.m. or 4 o'clock. If there's any probability that market changes before then, I'll sure let you know too as well. Okay, so I'll come over to Ethereum. I'm also on Ethereum. So this is ETH. So ETH, the same thing. I'll come over to the 4 hours time frame. When I get to the 4 hours time frame, what is the next thing I do? What is the direction of the market? That's just it. What is the direction of the market saying? So market is an uptrend, but currently it's a downtrend. So on the 1 hour time frame, I want information of a W pattern before I shoot in for a buy. Simple. As simple as that. So when I come to the 15 minutes time frame, still at 3 o'clock p.m., market should retrace. Yes, market should retrace and respect this structure, this particular area here. You should respect this particular area before we start pushing up for a buy on the 15 minutes time frame on Ethereum USD. This is for Ethereum. Guys, this is for Ethereum, okay? So that's my analysis on BTC, my analysis on Ethereum. Then on BNB, we'll come over to BNB too as well. What do we do? Same thing. Keep it simple. You won't see me try to overcomplicate things. I always keep it as simple as possible so you can also understand and make crazy amount of money for yourself, because simplicity is the key. Do you understand? Keep it simple and money will flow. You don't need to complicate your chart. So I come over to the 4 hours. When I get to the 4 hours, what's the direction of the market? Market is giving me like a downtrend here. So what I do next is to come over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I come over to the 1 hour time frame. When I get to the 1 hour time frame, this is still a buy, guys, because market now is not giving you like what a reversal pattern to the 4 hours time frame section. So I'll be buying BNB, but please, if you buy or sell now, it's on your own detriment. Please wait for my signal that I'll post on the channel around 3 o'clock p.m., 4 o'clock p.m. That is when I'll be expecting to buy or sell. But I'm just analyzing what market needs to do now. But do not enter, because I told you earlier that timing is very important. And the time has changed. It's no longer 1 o'clock p.m. now. It's now 3 o'clock p.m. on BTC, on crypto. It's 3 o'clock p.m. and 4 o'clock p.m. now for you to trade the market. Okay, so that is for Ethereum. That's it for BNB. That's it for BTC. Then for AVAX, for those people that trade AVAX, I also analyze AVAX for you. These are cryptocurrency that you can focus your energy on. Okay, so we'll go on AVAX. I'll go over to the 4 hours time frame. When I get to the 4 hours time frame, let me reset it. What is the direction of the market on the 4 hours time frame? So on the 4 hours time frame, market is giving me a buy setup. So I come over to the 1 hour to check the pattern. Market is still buying. I'm still going to be expecting a buy on what AVAX. So BTC, Ethereum, BNB, AVAX should also be buying. Now, talking about investment, please, I noticed earlier around last week that some people are just scamming with my page. I will never ask you for money, guys. I will not come to this place, or you don't see me say invest 2,000, so I will flip it for you under 1 week. It doesn't even make sense. So I will never ask you for money. Do not invest money to anyone claiming to be Bebeto Williams, because you will not see me your DM saying you should please give me money, give me $200, give me $500 to invest. Like, I don't know. How do you expect? Please don't fall for all those cheap scam. And when they now scam you, you now come to the real person. And that's, I really don't know how you guys do it, but please do not invest your money to someone claiming to be Bebeto. I will never ask for it. Okay, I will never. Okay, so please don't fall for scams out there. There are a lot of people trying to scam, so do not try to fall prey on it. Okay, so that's my analysis on BNB, BTC, Ethereum, and AVAX. And for people trying to say, asking me about investment in cryptocurrency, it's very important for you to understand that make sure you do your research. In as much as your gurus are telling you invest in this coin, invest in that coin, please always make sure to pay what to make sure to do your research. Is very important. Very important to do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. There's difference between trading and there's difference between investment. So investing comes with a different plan, trading comes with a different plan. So if you're being told to invest your money in cryptocurrency that to give you 10x, 50x, 100x, it's possible. But make sure that your money, the money you're investing there, is money that you're willing to risk. And also do your research. Don't be lazy, guys. It's time to make money, all right? So that's what I have to say on BTC. And let's wait for 3 o'clock p.m., 4 o'clock p.m. I'll send it the analysis on my prediction for BTC, Ethereum, and AVAX on the channel. So you have nothing to worry about. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Interesting. Thank you very much, Williams. Nice to have you guys back again. Williams, thank you very much for that wonderful analysis. So now let's go on. I left off with GBPJPY. Okay, we got in GBPJPY. Let me just update our trades. Like, let me refresh where we are currently, right? So just in case you are joining for the first time, we got in on a trade on GBPJPY, or a trade that if you get in now, you'll be having a better price than we did, right? So go ahead and place your trade. Only one entry, and I dished out the lot sizes a while ago. Please kindly follow strictly the lot sizes I've given to you guys. All right. I used to send the links, guideline of lot size to use on Telegram. I send that to every now and then. So follow this guideline and you will never blow accounts again. All right. Good. And why it's very important that we all take signals and then we get to take signal. Why it's important we all get to take signals and enjoy. It's also important you get to learn. All right. If you want to learn how to trade, that's when you come to our academy. Academy is simple. Just come to fairplusfx.com. Boom. You have everything at your fingertip. You can learn from beginner. After the beginner phase, you move to intermediate. From intermediate, you move to advanced. So we are currently going to be launching a new website that feature this process. So if you're a beginner, if you're an advanced, you don't have to starting from beginner again. You just start on your advanced stage. If you're an intermediate, you don't have to pay for a different amount of money. Just subscribe and then you start from intermediate. Same amount of money, and then you get to learn at different pace based on your educational level, Forex educational level, I mean. All right. So whether you are a school dropout, you're a secondary school guy, you are anything, it doesn't matter. As long as you can recognize patterns, which is shapes, and you have a phone and internet, you can navigate through an empty for which we are going to teach you, you are good to go. Follow simple instructions. You can point, click, make profit with us. But then it takes time. You don't just make profit just like that. I'm 9 years, going to 9 years in this business now. So you have to know that, okay, yeah, I have to give my time to these things. That's the same way I gave my time to my degree whilst I was in school, right? So that's important to note. So now, these are our entry points. So if price goes up, we'll start making profits. And I also share this on the Telegram channel. Without flogging that too much, let's check other pairs like AUD, USD. On AUD, USD, something interesting is happening right here. I love to see fail rejections like this. It gives me confidence that something interesting would happen soon. It rejected here once again. Price go here. Don't worry, GJ is going to give us crazy profit. GJ is going to give us really good profit, really good profit. Really good profit. I'm seeing a buy on AUD USD. But since this pair moves slowly, I'm not going to call it in this live session. But if you want it, you can take it, and then this will be your potential stop loss. If you want it, take it. The potential stop is going to be here. And what I can see this thing doing is I see it doing only 1 to 1, 1 to 1.1, 1 to 1.2. This is what I can see. I don't see it doing much, just 1 to 1. If you are comfortable with that, which obviously I'm not comfortable with, you can take it. I mean, some people don't mind. You can take this trade. So your stop loss is going to be, let me type it on the screen. If you want to take AUD USD, SL is going to be 0.06 9083. That's going to be your stop loss. So quickly take a screenshot and execute if you want to take this. I am not taking this one. All right. Then the next one I'd love to check out is JPY, AUD JPY. AUD-ish, AUD JPY is moving fast already. If I say buy. Euro JPY is also at the same level. They moved similar, all the JPYs, similar. Okay, so let's just stick to what we currently have, GBPJPY. Let's see how much we're able to make from this trade for today. Okay. Okay, interesting. So let's just focus on GJ and leave every other thing, right? We agree, let's focus on GJ. Now, if in 7 minutes, if this bullish candle closes above this high, we're going to add in one more position if it closes above this high. All right, I'm going to add one more position with the same lot size you added with before. You had before, rather. So that will be 2 entries. That will make it 2 entries, right? 2 entries. So please can you know. Very tiny price movements. So let's check in again on gold. Gold is constantly printing dollars. It's for a drop. Gold is looking so bearish. Looking so bearish. The vibe I got when I know that money must be made today. I'm already in the profit. I'm swimming in good profit. Let me know. How much are you on, guys? How much are you on? How much are you on? In profit too. Olatunde is my paid subscriber here on YouTube. $1K chin a mem. You must be using a big account then. I don't want to hear that you over leverage. It won't be nice. Up $128. Not bad. I'm in crazy profit with few peep movements. Nah. It's still just moving small. GBPJPY in profit good. $2 minus 25 cents, $38 minus 23 cents. This lady said not in profit. It's fine not to be in profit. As long as you execute right, the profit will surely come. $9 in profit. Interesting, $17 in profit, up to $2K. $3, $1. If you know how you people should be following me, right? Should be following me religiously more than you follow your celebrities. Do you know why I say so? Because I make you make money. You can quote me anywhere. You might just imagine as I'm coming here now, you are printing, you added 17 extra dollars to your money. You added 99 extra dollars to your money. You added extra $80 to what you had before. You added someone is also negative to, which if you hold well, you'll be positive soon. Someone make you 1,000, 2,000. Trust me, facts. Facts. Congrats, guys. So now let's look at other pairs. So someone was dropping Euro CHF. I know that's what he meant. Euro is not, you don't spell Euro full. That's not the code. The code for Euro is UE. Yeah, this is the guy. EUR finish. There's nothing like O as a trader, right? It's EUR CHF, right? So let's do that for him. Euro CHF. EUR CHF. That's the code for it. All right, so for Euro CHF, I'm actually not seeing an opportunity just yet. Instead, I'm seeing a drop. Market is fighting to take out this low. So see, it's fighting. So it broke above. It's trying to retest. So we might see if this candle pulls up a bit. Me, I'll look for consider longs on Euro CHF. Consider going longs, doing longs rather for the long. All right, consider doing long. Me, I got in with $1,000 and I'm only up with two other entries. I'm only up 30 something dollars. So some other guys that are making $1,000, I don't know how you people get in. I'm only making 30 something dollars with all my entries. With $1,000 account I got in with. Now I'm not even red. I'm not even negative. I'm not even negative of $2. Okay, it's back up now. With all my entries, you can see there, I'm up $14 only. So please make sure you're not over leveraging. You're not putting too much lot size. It's very crucial. It's good that you do that. It's better you execute it right than execute it wrongly and make profit. Better you execute it right and make loss than execute right and make profit. Because when you're making profit with wrong execution, you are creating bad habits. That bad habit will one day take all your money. They will take all your money back. All right. So please, I'm not saying you shouldn't say you're making more than I am. I'm currently up $50 now. $61. You see, it's back to 50 again. That's what I'm up on. So please, don't say you are making $1 million when you're not even making a penny. It's self-deceit. All right. Thank you. That's on that account. And on I have multiple accounts that I'm trading, to be honest. But then I'm sure you guys the profit. So finally, everyone is saying that they're in profit now. So this is an account of 2,000. I said I started today. This one is just in 140 with same 1, 2, 3 entries. Just that this one I have better entries on this one. I waited a bit on this one before I could get in on any entry. You see, this one I'm up just $130 with 3 entries with the same lot size 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. All right. No rush. So someone said AUD USD bullish. Okay, so maybe you got into the AUD USD. So let's go check. We have given out 2 trades so far. Is AUD USD. One I'm in it, one I'm not. I'm in GBPJPY, but I'm not in AUD USD. So for those who are currently in AUD USD, should also be in profit. Good profit, right? Good profits. So GJ is doing well now. Now I'm sure of the buys. Who is there? I'm sure of the buys. You can keep buying now on GJ. All right. Still maintain the same stop loss. Do not move stop loss just yet, because price has not invalidated that high properly. So I want price to properly invalidate this high, and then we start seeing price surging. All right. So that'll be the much I can take for today. It's currently an hour already in. Please remember to register for the bootcamp if you've not. Today is the final day to register. So the bootcamp simply means that you're going to stay together with me in a room. If you're not in Nigeria, I'm going to send you a link. We're going to trade from Monday to Friday from the beginning of October 1st to 31st of October. Only the trading sessions, Monday to Friday. If you're getting on any trade, I'm going to open an account. You're also going to open yours. The minimum you must have in your account in order for you to qualify to join us, it must be $2,000. Get a link with any brokerage, or if you have a brokerage before, it's fun with your $2,000. Come on in. I'm going to tell you the lot size. You don't even you need not to even know Forex. I'm going to tell you when to get in, when to get out, the stop loss, the lot size, the take profit, when to exit, everything. I'm going to be giving that to you and helping you to execute whilst you are live there with me. It's going to be a live thing. So it's not about anything for me. It's just about proving this to myself that I can do this thing over and over and over again with as many people that I want. I can make people make money. It's just what I want to prove with this thing to myself. So if you're interested, check our Telegram, find the details there, register, subscribe us, anything at all, and then I would love to see you there. Please avoid scammers. I will never ask you to send me money to let me do it for you. All right? If you are doubting anything, maybe somebody's telling you something, send someone to our office. Our office again is 1A Tatiana's Court. Let me type it out. 1A Tatiana Court, Ikota Villa Estate by Mega Chicken, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Send someone to our office immediately to come check it. And if you want to WhatsApp right now, please send us a WhatsApp to this number. I'm going to send you the number right now. Only WhatsApp, please. That number doesn't take call. It's only strictly for WhatsApp, right? And you can just join the Telegram too as well for more information. This is obviously our stuff, and then this is our WhatsApp, official WhatsApp. If you test it, a prompt is going to pop up and say, welcome to FirePip. All right, these are our WhatsApp. So take a screenshot and do that right now, guys. Take a screenshot and do that right now. All right. All right. Take a screenshot and do that. All right, I'm going to see you guys on the brighter side of things. And take it easy now and bye for now. So one more update. I see somebody saying that he's negative now. Good. One more update before I go. So I noticed that price a little bit tank from here. So me, I'm still holding because here's where our stop loss is. So still keep holding. The only time I'm going to tell you guys to exit is maybe when price take out this low. So that's why I put my stop loss a little bit below that low. All right. So as long as that low is not invalidated, stop loss is still so tight, we are heading straight to 192.478. So keep holding. I'll see you guys at the top and play safe, guys. Don't add any other position, only the position I've told you guys to add. That's what you should add. Take it easy and bye for now, guys.